Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the microphone permission is enabled, otherwise your phone won't capture sound. Open Settings and go to Privacy, then Microphone, and toggle the app on. Once done, free at least 100 MB of storage and close background apps to reduce audio dropouts. This matters because CPU contention causes glitches. Finally, charge above 20% or plug-in. Uninterrupted power prevents abrupt shutdowns during long takes and keeps performance stable. You now open your recorder app and accept runtime prompts so it can access mic and storage. Tap Settings and pick Audio Quality. 128 kbps is clear for speech, 320 kbps or WAV if you need music fidelity. Choose mono to save space or stereo for 2-channel detail. Once configured, set a sensible file format. M4A balances size and clarity, whereas WAV preserves every nuance but uses more storage. Make these choices intentionally. You press record and keep the device steady. Use a small tripod or an external TRRS or USB microphone for much better clarity. Watch input meters and avoid the red zone. Aim for about -12 dB headroom to retain dynamics without clipping. When finished, stop and save the file immediately, then back it up to cloud storage. If you get silence, make sure microphone permission is still enabled, reboot the phone, and test a different app or an external mic to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.